Hello everyone and welcome to EOB Canada. If you remember, last time I posted two tutorials. The first one was related to how to pay expenses with the petty cash and also to register or to record all expenses paid by the petty cash. The second tutorial was about how to prepare the deposit slip. Okay, and today we show you how to prepare the bank reconciliation. Normally in your final exam of the competency handling cash, you will have three sections. Section number one will be related how to handle the petty cash, which means how to pay expenses with petty cash and how to record all expenses paid by petty cash in the petty cash register. Section number two or task number two will be how to prepare the deposit slip. The final section or part number three will be about how to prepare the bank reconciliation. In your final administrative exam, you have two ways to make your three tasks. You can use form and slips as paper, or to fill the form through Excel. Okay, so today I will show you now how to work and to prepare the bank reconciliation with the company the Smart Dollar. But before doing it, I would like to give you a short definition of the bank reconciliation. What does it mean, the bank reconciliation? In a simple word, the bank reconciliation means the process of matching and balancing two closing balances. The first one will be related to the company cash book. The second one will be related to the bank statement that you will receive or you pick up from your bank website. Okay, so this is the bank reconciliation: matching, balancing figures, amounts recorded in the company cash book with other figures, other amounts displayed or motion in your bank statements. So the process steps will be firstly, we will identify difference between cash book and bank statement. After we tick cash book entries which are on the bank statement, and finally to adjust cash book with items which are on the bank statement but not in cash book. To illustrate all of those process steps, let's take a look to our exercise inspired from the final exam of this competency handling cash. Here we have HSBC statement sent to the customer or client, the Smart Dollar. You have date, description, opening balance, debit, credit, and closing balance. You have here the company cash book, balanced in the end of March. So I will correct this. So let's start making the bank statement. The first thing to do is to eliminate any figures or any amount mentioned both in bank statement and also in our cash account. For example, this one, okay, bank loan. Look, bank loan repayment 6,500, exists here. Okay, so it's colored it by green color. Okay, the second one, this. Okay, we received a check from our customer traveling agency. This amount exists in bank statement and also recorded in our accounting system or in our cash book. Okay, good. What else? This petty cash replenishment by check number 17. We will highlight it by green color. Okay, where is here? Good. What else? This smart vacancy check. Okay, our customer paid us by check number 25, so it was recorded in our cash account and also mentioned and displayed in bank statements. No problem with those amounts. Good. What else? Okay, I think 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. So we have 3 figures balanced, which means we found those 3 figures or amounts in our cash book, and also we found it in our bank statement. So good. So let's say which one is or mentioned or displayed in bank statement and not in our cash book, and vice versa. Okay, what was recorded in our cash book and not mentioned in bank statement. Let's start by the first one. Okay, here's one for example. Okay, give it the color. This color, for example. Okay, good. We deposited in the bank $9,500, but we found here how much? $6,500. So the difference should be as deposit in transit. We will receive it later in the future. We go to reconciliation statement form like this. We start by balance as per bank statement. This. Okay. And this is our balance given by our bank book or cash book. Equal. Go back here. This is our balance. Good. So as I told you, this deposit, we deposited 9,500, but we found 6,500, so difference 3,000 should be here to be added here. Okay, deposit in transit, how much? 3,000. Okay, let's go back. This one done. The second, take car, check number 50, the amount 1,000, 1,050. 1,050. We remark that we didn't record this amount. Look, we paid our supplier take car by check number 15, but in our cash book didn't exist, so we should record this amount as a deduction from our closing balance, so to be deducted here. Okay, take car. Okay, check number 15, the amount is $1,050. Good. Go back. Okay, highlight it. Okay, and it's okay. This one, for example, we didn't find this. We gave 2 checks to 2 suppliers, but the 2 checks given to our supplier were not presented to our bank. Okay, so we have 2 ways. We can put it here to cancel our accordion, or to put it as to be deducted the next time later. Okay, let's do it. Let's choose this one. Okay, this one equal Petro Canada fuel. The amount is $1,250.60. The second one, second supplier, this one equal $2,568.88. We can also look. We can also take this and put them here. Okay. 1 second. Okay. For example, Petro 165. The second supplier, check auto, 2,568.88. Okay, we can do this. We can add this. When we add, means that we cancel, we remove the previous recording. But most of companies never do this. They prefer to make like this way, to be deducted later from the bank balance, closing balance. Okay, in the next time. Good. This one should be highlighted as done. Sorry, it is done. Also done. Good. What else? Okay. In 17th March, the owner made a withdrawal, but we didn't find this transaction in our cash book, so we should deduct our cash account by this amount. So, okay, equal owner, where is our, yes, here, owner withdrawal by check number 16, and the amount was $8,000. Good. We highlight it as done. Good. This one done. This one done. Okay. What else? Look. We deposit a check given by our customer Trans Travel, but we forgot to record it in our cash book, so normally should be added. Okay, should be added here. Equal customer payment Trans Travel with the appropriate amount. Good. And we'll highlight it as done. Okay. Okay. So, look, in 28 March, we deposit some checks. The total value was $1,500, but here in the bank we found just 1,000, so the difference will be as deposit in transit. We go back to reconciliation statement, the same deposit in transit, and we add the difference. Okay, good. We highlight it as done. Okay, and also here. Good. So we finished all figures mentioned in our cash book. So let's go finish what is in the bank statement and is not in our cash hand, which means was not recorded in our cash account. The first one is interest investment. Okay, the interest is financial income coming from investment, financial investment. So this one should be added as income, financial income. Here, this is our cash book. Okay, cash book. 1 second, I will change this. Cash book. Good. And also here cash book balance. Okay. So equal here the investing interest. Investing interest. Okay. 1 second. Investing interest. Good. Go back here. It's okay. The amount is, I think, 95, something like this. Yes, $95.95 cents. Highlight it as done. Okay. Normally, any banking charges or fees, commission and banking commissions and fees, we cannot know them before receiving the bank statement, or take a look at our statement, balance statement in our bank website. Here we have two kinds of charges. We have banking charges and bank interest. Let's start with the first one. Okay, we should deduct our balance because it's a charge. Okay, it's expense. Equal bank charges. The amount is $222.22. The second bank fees will be bank interest, and the amount will be this. Good. Okay, I'm looking for something here. It's okay. Okay, forget this. I think it's yes. This one is 1050 equal. The best way is to copy paste. Okay. Now we finish our bank reconciliation statement. We match, we balance any amounts displayed or mentioned in the company cash book versus the bank statement received from our bank or picked up from the bank website. And finally, as you look here, all balances, both balances, closing bank closing balance and the company cash book closing balance are equal now, similar. Okay, this is what we are looking for. Good. So I hope that this video will be useful for you. Thanks for watching, and in the next tutorial I will show you how to do it. Now I show you how to do it manually. Next time I will show you how to do it by using the accounting software Sage 50 Canadian edition. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.